What's up everyone, it's Enes here. In this video I will tell you about why I like my 2012 Lexus RX 350. To give you guys a little bit of a background, I got this car back in 2020 for $13,000 from a dealership, and at the time the car only had 127,000 miles. It's at the time it was a 8-year-old car, and because it's Lexus, because it has Toyota engine, I had no doubt about it, even though it had more than 100k miles on it. So I bought it. This was about 2 years ago, and currently I'm at 148,000 miles. So I put around 21,000 miles on it. So far there's no issue. I never really had anything major. The engine works great. The car overall is in great shape. So if you're in the market looking for a used SUV, I definitely recommend Lexus RX from this age. These models I think were built from 2010 all the way to 2015. So it's great car overall. I never had any issues. The biggest spend I did on it so far was having a brake surfaced. I think I did front brakes, rear brakes. The discs were being resurfaced and brake pads were replaced. And I think all that was around $700, which isn't too bad. I got it done at a local Lexus dealer here in Des Moines, Iowa. So that wasn't too bad. Other than that, it's just, I've been using it for 2 years, just getting the oil changed every 6 months or so. And yeah, so there hasn't really been anything major. As you can see, the engine works like a beast. There's nothing wrong with it. There's a little dust all around it, but hopefully you can hear how good this engine is.